how are you all my dear students? How are you? I am fine. I hope you are well. Very thanks. You subscribe my channel, watch my video, like and shares. Today's assignment title: Start now EXP25 Excel, chapter number 3, Cumulatives, Patients. Our dear student, assignments. Today's assignment is patient. Start now. Project descriptions. If you any kind of assignments, you contact me. Word, Excel, PowerPoint, mathematics, finance, accounting, assess, grader and other assignment, you contact me. My email and WhatsApp. Question number 1, color change. Start Excel, download and open the file names EXP25 Excel, chapter number 3, Cumulative Patients. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. Our dears, you first downloading this file, but already I downloading file. You watch this, I back this. Question number 2, weekly blood pressure reading has been entered for a sample patient. You went to create a clustered columns chart to compare the reading for the month. After you create the chart, you will move it to a chart sheet that will be used to contain several charts for easy reference. Create a clustered column chart using the range A to C7 on the April worksheet. Cut the chart and paste in cell A1 in the chart sheet. All my dear students, create a clustered column chart using the range A to A7 C7. First step, I enter sheet on the April worksheet, clustered columns. Clustered column. It's okay. I click this. Cut the chart, paste in cell A1 in the chart shell on the April. It's okay. My log sheets. Using April. So this chart move in log sheet charts. only one column, it's okay. The one column, it's okay. Question number 2 is complete. Question number 3, start now. I increase the word. You watch the better word. And I color change. Question number 3. The chart need a descriptive, easy to read title. Change the chart title to blood pressure reading in April and bold the title. So, okay, I copy this title. I enter bold. Question number 3 is very easy and complete. Start now. Question number 4. You realize the chart might be easier to read a bar chart. Change the chart type to clustered bar. Clustered bar, it's okay. Chart clustered bar. Change. Clustered bar, it's okay. Clustered bar. I click this, back this. Okay, dear students, question number 4 is complete. Question number 5, start now. I increase word and color change. You will increase the chart size to make it easier to read on display screen. Set 4-inch height. So the 4-inch height. 4-inch height. 4-inch height. I increase this size, and size is 4. It's okay. Size increase. This is very easy, no difficult. Question number 6, I increase size and color change. You want to remove the additional dates display on the categories axis. Select the date on the axis and display the format axis task pane in the axis option categories. Select text axis type to remove the extra dates from the charts. It's okay. From the charts I select date. open the log sheets and start display format exit panel. Exist option category, select text exist type in, remove the extra dates. Text it's okay. Text exists is okay. I back this and question number 6 is complete and question number 7. Star now. I increase size and color change. You want to arrange the dates with the oldest date or at the top. Display the dates is reverse. Hold on the categories exist, so the 4/1/2027 is at the top of the vertical axis. Vertical axis reverse. It's okay. Category is reverse order. I click this. Question number 7 is complete and my half assignment is complete. And very thanks all dear students, you watch my videos, and very thanks.